If you're buying a development that is located next to the sea, buying a unit that faces the sea would definitely come at a premium. But does this premium translate to higher return on investment? Likewise, if you are buying a development that is in the vicinity of a prestigious primary school, does buying a unit that is within 1 kilometer from this school result in more capital gain? In this episode of Ask Joy, we are going to uncover whether units with these special features actually outperform their neighbours within the same development. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips that can help you make smarter property decisions. Let's take a look at Seaside Residences, where two of the largest 2-bedroom units present a very interesting comparison. Stack 14 is a 807 square feet 2-bedroom overlooking the landed enclave, while Stack 3 is a slightly larger 2-bedroom dual-key unit at 829 square feet overlooking the sea. When Seaside Residences first launched in April 2017, based on level-to-level comparison, sea-facing units command a 10 to 15% premium. A lower floor sea-facing unit was sold for 6% more than a higher floor landed-facing unit during launch. When both units hit the resale market, the sea-facing unit made $215,000 more in profit despite its higher initial price. Now, let's take a look at another development where views are also the unique selling point. This is Twin View, known for its stunning reservoir views. This 3-bedroom, which faces another development, was purchased in June 2018. Approximately 1 month after this 3-bedroom, which faces the Pandan Reservoir, was sold. The entry price of both 3-bedrooms were very competitive back then, with the reservoir-facing unit asking for a premium of only 4%. Fast forward 3 years, the reservoir-facing 3-bedroom clocked twice the amount of profit than the 3-bedroom which has a block view. These examples clearly show that investing in a unit with a unique selling point can significantly enhance your returns, even if it comes at a premium price. So then, there is a common belief that buying a property that is within 1 kilometer of a good school will increase your profit. But is there any data backing this up? Let's take a look at Jadescape, which consists a total of 7 residential blocks, of which only Block 10 and Block 12 are within 1 kilometer to Ai Tong School. You might expect the units in these two blocks to perform better, but when we zoom into transaction of the 764 square feet 2-bedroom that were purchased and sold in the same year, profitability of the units in these two blocks that are within 1 kilometer to Ai Tong School did not stand out at all. Entry price plays a crucial role in determining the profitability here, especially for the bigger units. Take Stack 36 and Stack 33 for example. Both are of the same size facing the landed enclave. A low-floor unit that is not within 1 kilometer of Ai Tong was sold in the resale market just 2 months after a very high-floor unit that is within 1 kilometer from Ai Tong. However, this low-floor unit clocked $331,000 more in profit than the other unit because of their differences in entry price. It was approximately 11% at $223,000. My team and I have personally combed through all the data of all condos island-wide but could not find any compelling data to show that being within 1 kilometer to a prestigious school can lead to higher profitability. My take is that while being of close proximity to a famous school can be a unique selling point, it does not cater to the masses. And with that said, do you think that there are other unique selling points that could impact a condo's profitability? Do share your thoughts below in the comment box, and if a particular idea catches my eye, I may explore it in the next episode of Ask Joy. Till then, I will see you.